Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mirko and I'm your Italian tutor and welcome to my channel. So many of you have a lot of doubts about the verb piacere, which, it's true, it can be a challenge if you're an English speaker. But today we are going to solve all your mysteries, so stay tuned. Learn how to construct sentences with the verb piacere. Let's learn how to conjugate the verb. So let's go to the whiteboard. Io piaccio. Tu piaci. Lui, lei piace. Noi piacciamo. Voi piacete. Loro piacciono. And the good thing, the use of this verb, mainly we use it in the third singular, so piace, or the third plural form, piacciono. Okay, now it's time to clear out all your doubts. Let's go back to the whiteboard. I have this beautiful example to explain you how to use the verb piacere. A Marco piace il caffè. A Marco piacciono i biscotti. Okay? If you want to translate these sentences, it would be Marco likes coffee, Marco likes biscuits. Okay? So we have to understand two principles. First, what is the subject of the sentence? The subject, it can be an object or someone who and or which is liked. In this case, coffee, because Marco likes what? Coffee. So coffee in the Italian structure is the subject. Okay? And refer to this verb, piace. Since coffee is a singular, you're going to conjugate piacere on the third singular form. Biscotti is plural, biscuits. So I'm going to coordinate the verb, conjugate, on the third plural form. Okay? The person who likes somebody or something is the recipient of the action. Okay? And sometimes it's preceded by preposition, in this case, a. See how to use the verb piacere, but now we are going to complicate more things, because when you want to express your feeling that you like something, someone, or an activity, how do you do that? Whiteboard again. So I would use the following structure. We have two, and you can use interchangeably, don't worry about that. Mi piace or a me piace. So here we're going to complicate things. So this one and this one are indirect object pronoun. And in Italian then we are going to learn that you have two types. So this is the first type and then there is the second type. Yes, because I like to complicate things, but this is like a really common structure when you want to say that you like something. So I can say mi piace il caffè, mi piacciono i biscotti, like we said before with Marco, but Marco now is gone. But if I want to use it like to say that I like activities, so related to hobbies, I have to use verbs, and the verbs that follow piace are going to be in the infinitive form. In the example here we have mi piace giocare, a me piace pulire. Simple. We can also use mi piace. For example, if Maria says to me, we're going to this restaurant, they make fantastic burger, the atmosphere is so cool, I can reply mi piace, like I like it. So I would use this one, mi piace, okay? I wouldn't use this one, a me piace, because the other person can say what? Okay, now we can see in the whiteboard the use of the two
indirect object pronoun. You can see that there is a slash, so you can use either one or the other, because if you use both of them, it's considered in Italian a mistake and a repetition. I know that in Spanish, for example, it's acceptable to say a mí me gusta la carne, but in Italian, unfortunately, you can use one of them. Okay, so let's read through. At least you can learn a new vocabulary. A me, o mi, piace il caffè. A te, ti piace il calcio. A lei piace la pasta. Gli, or a lui, piace la carne. A noi piace viaggiare. A voi piace il sushi. A loro piace la torta. Okay? So, just to re-summarize, can you see that the verb is in the third singular form because il caffè, il calcio, la pasta, la carne, il sushi, la torta are singular, okay? And then when you want to use it with activities, so you're going to use verbs, like in this case viaggiare, you're going to use it in the infinitive form, okay?
So I really hope that all your doubts are clear off and you can use piacere in an easy and in a more comfortable way. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, share love with everyone, and remember to subscribe. See you next time. Bye for now.